Hello everyone, in this video we are going to find the toys that I bought from the market. You know what, the first is a blue car, you know what is a tractor like, and now I find another car. You know what, I am finding the shrubs, these are shrubs and covering the car. It is difficult to find the cars in the shrubs. It is a yellow bus, a mini bus. Now I have to find the third one. You know what, where it is have gone. It seems difficult to find it. Oh wow, I have found that. I think it is covering with shrubs because shrubs has covered here. Like this is a car, this is a truck. Wow, Tata truck. It's a beautiful oil truck, battery. Now I have to find another fourth one. Looks how we find the fourth one. The fourth one is I think white mini car. White mini car. Wow, so beautiful. Four-wheeler. Wow. Now I have to find the fifth one. Where is the fifth? And it is an oil tanker. Wow, beautiful. It is a six-wheeler. Wow. It is used in storage of oils. Petrols. Now I have to find series. Now I have to find another truck. You know what? It is a white, beautiful truck. It is a tractor, oil tractor. Now I have to uncover the shelves to find another cars which are hiding beneath its shelves. Now I have to find a big tractor. Wow, what is beautiful tractor. The orange in color but blue in cape. Blue and violet. What a beautiful combination of colors. Now I have to find the truck. You know what a beautiful tractor. This tractor is covering with shrubs. I have found that. You know what a beautiful. Now I have placed in order. Now I have to find another items. Like I have to find. I think there is no more. I think there is one more. This is a beautiful track. What a beautiful tractor. Tata Prima King's companies. What a beautiful. Now I have to find another. You know what? In this shelves another cars can be found. Now I have find the blue, not yellow tractors. What a container, King's containers. What a beautiful six-wheeler. Wow. Now I have to put in series. Now I have to find the 9 seconds. You know what? It seems that it is another car. I have to find, you know what, like a tractor crane. What a beautiful crane. Yellow crane. Now I have to find another car. It seems that there is a white bus. You know what, white mini bus. 4 people's car. Beautiful. Amazing. Oh my god, I have found a lot of cars. Now I have to find the vehicles. Like yellow vehicles is an oil tanker. You know what, it is a very fire tanker. Fire brigade. Wow. Now I have to find other cars. Like now I have to find the shrubs. You know what, shrubs is a wow, beautiful blue tractor. What a beautiful blue tractor. Wow. It's a greener. Wow. Now I have to find the others of the vehicles. Now I am continuing to find out the things that are hiding beneath the shrubs. You know what, like a green tractor. What a beautiful green tractor show. Wow. See it. What a beautiful tractor. It is a yellow bluffing tractor. Now I have to find another one. Like there is an orange car. What a beautiful 4-wheel car. What a beautiful vehicle. Now I have to find what a beautiful cars I have found out. Now I have to find another one. Like there is I think there is no one. But we have to find another cars and the toys that are hidden. Wow, look, I have found another crane, yellow crane. Now we see that what have to find. I think there is almost done. Now there is wow, yes, yellow, orange. I think there is an orange truck. Now orange tractor. It is broken tractor, little bit. Literally speaking, I is brought from the market like last 2 days. Now I have to find there is an. I think there is no one. Wow, I have found a green bus. What a mini bus. It's a van. Now, now I have to find another one. You know what? You look. I have found a lot of cars and vehicles. Now I have to find another one. You know what? I have found a green. You know what? Green bus. I think. What a tractor. You know what? It is a mountain hills car. Mountainous car. Now I have to find another one. You know what? Wow. I think I have found. It seems less difficult. Wow, I have found another orange car. It's a beautiful four-wheeler. Wow, look at sides, backs, and front side. Now I have to find another one. Look. Wow, beautiful. It's an oil tanker. What a beautiful. It seems so beautiful. Wonderful, amazing. Looking like beautiful. I think there is one or more two left. Wow, I think there is no one. Oh, there is one. I think there is no one. Now I have to start in the videos. Now let's go to the video and look how we drive these cars into the ground around the shrubs. किथे माइंड